Hi guys, my name is Rahul and this is a very late unboxing for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 was released in April as a competitor for Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let us see around the box. So around the box you can see that there is some specs mentioned. This is the for black variant, 4GB 64GB variant. The dual sim display is 5.99 inch FHD plus display, 5000 mAh battery, SD636 and stuff like that. And it is also mentioned the price is not correct, the price is very low. This phone was released long time ago April, and I did the unboxing quite some time back, but I forgot to post about this. Since Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 and Asus Zenfone Max M2 Pro is coming this week, I thought about unboxing this or releasing this video. So this was a straight up competitor for Redmi Note 5 Pro with almost similar specs. Only difference was that this had a huge 5000 mAh battery compared to 4000 mAh battery or Note 5 Pro. But unfortunately, Note 5 Pro had a very better camera than Zenfone Max Pro M1. So that was the difference, major difference between these two phones. So I have been using this device for quite some time. I have used this device for quite some time, so I love the battery backup, but it is very good phone for the price. Right now the price is pretty low in Flipkart, so I bought this device for the 4GB 64GB and I bought it for around 10,000 rupees because of the offers there is. So inside the box we can see that we love photo symbol on this paper box. So after removing it, under that we can see the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 itself, the device itself. I'm not going to say the full name again, it's going to be really tough, it's too long a name for a phone. So let's see what's inside the box. Then there is this charger, and there is this accessory called passive amplifier for the phone called Maxbox. Then there's the charger and the wireless cable. So let me put it outside so that we can check the accessories. uh, and so this is what I call the Maxbox, the an audio accessory. It is nothing but a paper cardboard with a magnet, so you can open it up and put the phone like a stand. I used it to use it as a stand though. So the audio will be actually pushed towards your face so that it sounds better. uh, because the downward speaker, the Zenfone Max Pro M1 is not that great. So this is the charger. So it has fast charging, that's what Asus is saying, and I can confirm that it is showing it rapidly charges. So it do charge actually. And then we have this micro USB cable, which is not even a surprise nowadays, because till now 15,000 or under phones are coming with micro USB cable, so it's not a surprise. This was a really old phone, it was released early in this year, so no USB type C for you. One of the advantages, I am going to say this, why I consider this phone is going to be it is Snapdragon 636 chipset. So there is a paper box. Let me see you. There is a SIM slot. Sorry, the SIM card ejector tool. So then there is the usual booklets here, user guide and the ASUS warranty information and something like that. Then there is a back cover, which is also pretty common nowadays, and most of the phones come with this plastic or the TPU case, which is kind of nice. I don't like this case though. Some I don't like the cases that come with Xiaomi and also the ASUS. When it fits, it's tough. I feel that the power button gets too much cushion when you put this case in. So I was not a fan of this case. So let's see the device itself now. So device, it's I told you the black, it's a black color, black variant itself. The surprising thing about this phone is this is 5000 mAh battery and the 180 gram it is there, but it is not really tough to handle. I have to say I was surprised when I got the device at that time, because it feels pretty good in hand. it's pretty solid, the design, and it feels pretty decent in the hand, as I told you. See, I don't feel that this is a phone with a humongous 4000 5000 mAh battery or something like that. I don't feel the weight that much. So there is this 5.99-inch Full HD plus display. Then there is a there's no notch, so there is this earpiece and the 8 MP front-facing camera. So on the side you can see the power key or the power button and the volume rockers keys, and in the side you can see the SIM tool. So on the top there is nothing. I don't see anything there. So on the bottom you can see that there is the 3.5 headphone jack, micro USB port, the speaker, and on the back side you can see that there is dual camera. One is 13 MP camera and the other one is secondary 5 MP camera, the dual LED flash, the fingerprint sensor, the ASUS branding. So that's it. It's a metallic body just like Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let us go inside this phone. Let's see what it comes with. So it comes with no, that's yes. So it comes with Android 8.1 and a Android security patch May. I said that this was a I bought it when there was an offer before in Flipkart. Right now also there is the same offer. So on the storage department you can say the 9.76 GB is used of 64 GB. So that means 54.24 GB is available out of the box. So let us check the camera. I really don't like the camera, and the camera bit look really weird, the camera. I think this is a Snapdragon camera and it looks really poor. Asus actually has a very good camera. I am surprised that they didn't put that camera up inside. And I will tell you the truth that I have used this phone with Google camera itself. I have installed the Google camera uh, 2 months back, I guess. So I used it because it just gives better pictures. This is really poor in low light, so I cannot even use this one, and the selfie camera is also not that great. So I will put in 2 more videos about Asus Zenfone Max, also the full review. So let me see in the next video. Goodbye.